So I am going to unbox this decent wallet. First of all, be sure that this is not open. If it is open, don't tell them to send it back. Tell them, hey, this is open. So you see this is not open. So I'm going to open this. This is, and let me take. So when you see, and still the seal is there. You get a recovery sheet. You get the products and specifications. You get another recovery sheet. And then you get the whole wallet. And then the cable. So I don't know if this is the scan the QR code to do the initial setup. And it starts with your phone. And then it's opening this. Get it started. Initial setup. Click on initial setup. Creating a new wallet on the biometric wallet screen, Bluetooth. So they show you before you begin, Bluetooth power button, fingerprint sensor, and so basically it's telling you what you need to do. So I'm gonna just start, and the first thing that it's asking me is to start with the language that I want, and I want English, so I'm gonna just then I go and say okay. And then it's gonna ask me create a wallet. I'm gonna say okay. It's asking me for a PIN. So in here, you're gonna write your recovery seed and your PIN. The PIN has 8 numbers. So I am going to pause this for a second. This is not going to be the number that I'm going to choose. Duh. You need to verify the PIN twice. So now I got the PIN. Now it's going to ask me for so I need to scan the finger. So you go and keep pressing it until it has all your finger. So you go like this, and then it's telling you 65 the fingers scan, retouch the finger, and then it's going to keep going with the points, right? The percentages, and now it's processing. It wants to verify the scanning of the finger again. Now it's giving me the recovery seed. I understand. And now it's processing. Now it's going to give me the recovery seed, which I'm going to write here. And now it's giving me the words, and I need to write those words. So I'm going to make sure that you check it twice. And then once you check it twice, you go, okay. Have you written down all your recovery C's? Yes, okay. Now it's asking me for enter the first word. Once you confirm the 24 things, 24 seed phrases, it's going to say confirm, and now you can see the account. And the settings. Setting, Bluetooth, security, device info. Okay, so, okay, it says a firmware optional. Then you can see the security, a roll finger, 25 words, see check. So I need to have an app, and I think I already have a decent wallet. I don't know if I can. So basically now I have to connect it to my app, and okay. So please add account in the app. So I downloaded the website, the Decent Wallet app, and then you need to connect it with Bluetooth. So you're gonna click on Bluetooth, and then you're gonna click your if you have iPhone, it's iOS. If you have Android, it's Android. Then you go here, and it's already connected. So once it's connected, then you can see your stuff in there. Now I need to create a coin account, receive coins, send coin. So I'm going to move some of my stuff. And once you do that, you need to add the tokens that you want to add here. So I created to actually add hex. You need to add Ethereum. So I added Ethereum, and then I added hex, because I'm going to be moving hex from whatever I have to here. So now you can see hex there. Okay. Now you know how to set up the Decent wallet for you. And if you're interested in getting the cheapest price that you can get for this wallet, click the link in my bio and get it today. Take care. So follow, like, comment, and share if you want more info on all things crypto. Take care and bye.